First word. Blind. Blind means andha. Let's see one example. Blind people cannot see. अंधे लोग नहीं देख सकते. Second word. Apple. Apple means सेब. Let's see one example. Apple is a fruit. सेब एक फल है. Third word. Bicycle. Bicycle means cycle. Let's see one example. Bicycle does not make pollution. साइकिल से प्रदूषण नहीं होता. Fourth word. Alive. Alive means zinda. Let's see one example. You are alive. आप जिंदा हैं. Fifth word. Inside. Inside means के भीतर. Let's see one example. Fill cotton inside pillow. तकिया के अंदर कपास भरें. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.